Hello, welcome friends. Welcome to channel Math Lesson 360. So here is another new mathematics problem that is for power equation. So here x to the power m by x to the power n whole to the power m plus n into x to the power n by x to the power l whole to the power n plus l into x to the power l by x to the power m whole to the power l plus m. So this is the equation. We need to simplify and get the value of this equation. So how can we do this? So first what we will do, x to the power m by x to the power n whole to the power m plus n. So I am writing the whole equation again. X to the power n by x to the power l whole to the power n plus l into x to the power l by x to the power m into whole to the power l plus m. So this is the equation. Now we know from power formula is that if x to the power a is there, by x to the power b is there, it should be x to the power a minus b. So the power in the denominator will subtract from the numerator power. Okay, so here x to the power m by n, that means what will happen? X to the power m by x to the power n, that means x to the power m minus n. Similarly, for x to the power n by l, x to the power l, it should be x to the power n minus l. Similarly, x to the power l by x to the power m equal to x to the power l minus m. Okay, so now we can rewrite this equation in simpler format. So how can I write? So first it will be x to the power m minus n, then whole to the power m plus n into x to the power n minus l whole to the power n plus l into x to the power l minus m whole to the power l plus m. So this is the equation we got from the previous one, because here x to the power m minus n, x to the power n minus n, x to the power l minus m. So I replace this in the equation. Okay, and I got x to the power m minus n whole to the power m plus n, x to the power n minus l whole to the power n plus l, to the power l minus m whole to the power l plus m. So now here another equation comes in, another formula comes into picture. That is, formula is, if x to the power a whole to the power b is there, then it should be x to the power a into b. Okay, so here similarly in this equation x to the power m minus n whole to the power m plus n is there, right? So here x to the power m minus n whole to the power m plus n, it will multiply. Then we know a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so here a is m, b is n. So here it will be x to the power m square minus n square. Okay, so similarly I will do for the others. So for x to the power n minus l whole to the power n plus l, we can write as x to the power n square minus l square. Similarly, x to the power l minus m whole to the power L plus M, we can write x to the power L square minus M square. Okay, so we have written the equation. We have get the value of all this parameter. Now we will put this in the equation x. So here what will happen, x to the power m square minus n square, then x to the power n square minus l square, then x to the power l square minus n square m square. Okay, so here also another formula comes into picture. If x to the power a into x to the power b into x to the power c is there, then the power will be x, it will be equal to x to the power a plus b plus c. The power will power of the summation of the power will happen. So here x to the power m square minus n square plus x to the power n square plus minus l square, this power will multiply, add with each other, l square minus m square. Now you can see l minus l square plus l square, you can cut n square cut m square we can cut. So nothing is there, that means x to the power 0. So we know anything to the power 0, a to the power 0 is 1. That means x to the power 0 also will be 1. Okay, so this is the answer. So I am explaining in Bengali as well. So এখানে দেখো ইকুয়েশনটা x to the power m by x to the power n whole to the power m plus n, এখানে x to the power n by l whole to the power n plus l, x to the power l by m l plus m. সো এখানে x to the power m by n ওটাকে কীভাবে লেখা যায়, x to the power m minus n, x to the power l by mটাকে l minus m, so n by lটাকে x to the power n minus l. Then x to the power m minus n whole to the power m plus n, x to the power n minus n whole to the power n plus l, x to the power l minus m whole to the power l plus m, এটা লেখা হলো। তারপরে আমরা কি জানি, x to the power a whole to the power b equal to x to the power a into b, power will multiply m minus n into m plus n, it will become x to the power, এটা x to the power m square minus n square হবে, সেরকমভাবে এটা x to the power n square minus l square হবে, আর এটা x to the power l square minus m square হবে। তো সেইটাকেই বসানো হয়েছে x to the power m square minus n square, x to the power n square minus l square, l square minus m square। এবার এখানে পাওয়ারগুলো যোগ হবে m square minus n square প্লাস n square minus l square প্লাস l square minus a square, কারণ to the power a into x to the power b into x to the power c equal to x to the power a plus b plus c। তো এখানে পাওয়ারগুলো যোগ হলে এগুলো কেটে যাবে, কেটে গিয়ে x to the power 0 আসবে। তা আমরা জানি কোনো কিছুর পাওয়ারে 0 থাকলে 1 হয়, তার মানে x to the power 0 equal to 1। সো এটাই হলো অ্যান্সার। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং, প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব অ্যান্ড লাইক দ্য চ্যানেল। থ্যাংকস ফর ইউর সাপোর্ট।